rotation in your hips here. I'm going to adjust each hip separately, get that pressure off there. Feel that release right there?
Yeah.
You want to stretch this diaphragm out here. The baby pushes and it can get uncomfortable. Just stretch those lower ribs for you. Come around to the other side here.